In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break apart charts or diagrams into shapes in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll be able to take any chart, smart art, or diagram and turn it into fully editable shapes, perfect for custom styling and animations. Start by selecting the chart, smart art, or diagram you want to edit. Click it once to make sure the entire object is selected, not just a single label or bar. This ensures PowerPoint knows you're working with the whole graphic. Next, copy the object. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Copying gives you a clean duplicate to work with while preserving the original on your slide in case you need it later. Now, paste it as an enhanced metafile. Go to the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow under Paste, choose Paste Special, then select Picture, also labeled as Enhanced Metafile, and click OK. This is the key step. By pasting as an enhanced metafile, you're converting the chart or diagram into a vector-based picture. That format can be broken apart into individual lines, shapes, and text boxes without getting blurry. With the pasted picture selected, right-click and choose Ungroup. PowerPoint may ask you to confirm converting it to a drawing object. Click Yes. After this first ungroup, you'll usually see a single large group break into several subgroups, like the plot area, legend, and labels. Right-click and ungroup again. In many cases, you'll need to repeat the ungroup command more than once until everything is fully separated. Keep an eye on whether you can select individual elements, such as a single bar, a data marker, a grid line, or a text label. If you click and still get multiple items at once, ungroup one more time. When you can select and move a single piece independently, you're done ungrouping. Now you can edit individual shapes freely. Resize elements to fine-tune spacing, recolor bars or segments to match your theme, adjust outlines and fills, or swap fonts and alignment for text. You can delete parts you don't need, like grid lines or a legend, and even layer shapes to create highlights or callouts. Best of all, you can animate pieces independently. Fade in each bar, fly in labels, or emphasize a specific slice to guide attention. One important note: once you've converted and ungrouped, it's no longer a live chart or smart art. The data won't update automatically. If you think you'll need revisions later, keep the original object on the slide or on a backup slide for safekeeping. That's it. Clean, precise control over every element, ready for polished, professional results.